Didn't make time for your dead grandma when she was alive? Well, now you can.
I'd like to speak to my grandma, please. Hey, Grandma.
Hey, buddy, is that you?
Yeah, it's me, Fred. It's been forever since you died, right?
That's right. You saw and heard correctly. The new and improved rotary phone can, in fact, come in contact with the dead.
I don't even like my grandma.
Well, no problem, Boblin. It comes with so many other features. The base price for the new and improved rotary phone is only $19.99 plus shipping. Want to add Bluetooth so you can listen to music anytime, anywhere, on the go? Well, that's only $15 more. Want a color other than brown? Well, guess what? For only $20 more, you can get it in mint green, blue, or even pink. Bluetooth, 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 Bluetooth. So many colors. Would you like to donate $1,000 for the upkeep of funeral homes?
No way.
Well, how about $500?
No.
Only $1?
Okay, I can do $1.
I'm Marilyn Monroe, and I approve this product.
Just as a disclaimer, you cannot resurrect the dead when using this phone. Please do not attempt to resurrect the dead when using this phone, as it may cause multiple personality disorder.
Why would I even want to buy a rotary phone?
I mean, there's a you know.
Hey, I'd like to speak to my grandma. Hi, Grandma.
Hey, buddy.
It's been a while.
Well, no problem, Boblin. It comes with so many other features.
Just as a disclaimer,